This is my Windows PC and this is my Android phone. I'm going to install an APK file. I did Google APK Mirror. I recommend this website. It's the safest one. Other websites may have software that it's not legitimate. So these websites, you need to pay attention the way you navigate on them. This is the actual link. This is where you download the application. Sometimes you have other links, download this, download that. Don't touch those links. So I'm going to just click on this app here. And sometimes if you scroll down, you have other versions. You have the date for them. So let's download this link here. I'm just going to click on it. It's going to start downloading. Now, if you have, yes, it start downloading. If you have Windows, if you try to download twice from the same website, it's going to show you a message download blocked. You need to go to change the settings in your browser. This is for the Edge and Chrome browsers. I have a video showing that. Okay, so it's already on my computer. It's going to show here. It's an APK file. So let's connect my Android phone. I have the cable, and watch careful what's happening when I connect it with USB port. You need to absolutely type on either of these two. Let's see, the camera will correctly focus. You need to select one of those two links. If you don't select them, the Motorola phone will show no folder, empty folder. It's not okay. So let's unplug it, wait a few seconds. There is also a setting that I'm unplugging it. Let's plug it back. And quickly, I'm typing file transfer. That is the same for the other one. Okay, so this complete. Let me just open again the download menu. Okay, so this is download. I'm going to get on my phone, and this is the internal storage. You can use an SD card as well. I created a folder. You can use any other folder. It doesn't matter the name of it. I just created a folder where I put all my APK file. I'll show you in a moment. I'm simply going to drag this into APK file. It's going to copy it. It's fast. By today's standards, let's just look at the phone now. We are going to install that file. I need to open the files app. This is on the main page. And let me just navigate you back to find where it drops these things. Oops, it's my okay, so this is the files main page, and you want to navigate to storage of the device. If you have an SD card, you need to navigate to the SD card. Sometimes you need to scroll down the last page. So here I have APK files folder. Whoops, I already touched on it. But what I did basically is this is the file that I downloaded from my Windows PC, and you simply tap on it and select install. It's a compass. I'll show the app when it's installing, and it should say it's a small file, 3 megabytes. Some files, usually files go, depends on the app. Right now we want to navigate. This is tricky with the gesture, and find the compass. This is it. Okay, it says I already decision permissions blah blah, and we want to agree. Actually, does it different services access location? No, I don't want to access location. It doesn't need it for this specific app. So just disagree. It doesn't let me. Okay, so let's just agree. GPS positioning, I don't need. It depends obviously on the application, and this is how it looks. And it's a compass app, so if you rotate your phone, it's going to show you north. Anyhow, this works for all APK files except let me talk you a little bit about APK files. Basically, it's just like a perhaps in Windows 2, you have just a file with a game or an application and just put it on your phone, and that's how you install it without using the store app, for apps. These apps basically are either new or old apps from the store. So the store doesn't have older apps, but most of the older apps are now in APK files on one of these websites. Again, the APK Mirror, it's one of the safer websites when usually all files APK that you download from them are safe, are not hacked. Because if you download an APK file that's hacked from other websites, it may hack your phone and it may steal your data. So be very careful with this. It's not safe if you don't download the right thing. That's why I recommend. And notice this file actually was made by Motorola, but obviously it's going to be other companies. APK Mirror, it's safe. Other sites are also generally safe. I think APK Pure, it's another website. It should be usually safe, but it's not 100%. So just be careful. Oftentimes it's a good idea to scroll down, and sometimes you have reviews, but not on this one. When you also go on APK file, you can search on the website, of course, but I like to search actually in Google. You notice how I did search for a specific APK file. When you scroll down, it will give you several versions of this file. I guess sometimes you may opt for older because the same application may change through the time. This is a link if you want to download the file itself. Here it says there is a general on all Android platforms and phones, gives you the minimum version of Android. So sometimes here you will find, besides the APK thing, you will find also written combo. If you see combo on APK Mirror, you need to install combo files. You need to install the APK installer. I'm not sure if I type installer here. The APK Mirror installer. APK Mirror. This is only for the combo files. No, I didn't find it, but perhaps if you go on Google, you will find it. Let's just try Google thing. I think is this one, official APK. Also notice one thing about APK. They have two websites. One it's .com and the other one, I don't see it here, it's .net. Both are their official websites. It's exactly the same thing. For some reason they use two websites instead of only one. So this is only for APK combo files. It's a safe software. I use it, but again only for combo files. You simply download it again and look for the link. These are the versions, and you just scroll on the number here, click on the number, and it should bring you to a download link. Okay, this is the download link here that I just clicked. So APK combo are installed only on APK Mirror site through this application of them. If you want, I can show you this application. Let me try to find it here. Is it? Yes, it's this one, APK Mirror. Sorry for my phone, it's not very good with. So this is the same thing that I just showed you. It's already installed. It opens all the APK file in a specified folder. I did specify my folder, the same you remember. And it depends, you can install also the APK simple files, but it also installs the APK combo files. And now there is one last type of APK file that you will find on this website. I think it has the extension APK, I don't remember exactly. I think it's APKs or something else, APKM or something like this. Those are very old APK files from 2014, 15, 16. And it's more difficult to install those. And also older APK files may not install on modern phones. It will simply tell you cannot install on Android 14 or on this phone. So these are for older software, software basically products, software games or applications that are no longer compatible with modern Android versions.